Hello. Now, today I want to talk a little bit about clipping. Now, clipping is where your voice or the recorded sound is overmodulating. So it's sort of distorting really. And you might see a waveform and think, oh, it looks a bit large and it might be clipping, but I'm not sure. And you want to know, so you get a nice smooth sound. And one of the ways to do that is to use the Audacity clipping tool. It's like a viewing tool, and it will show you where you're clipping, and then you can reduce it in whatever way you want to. So let's take a look at how to use that. Look at the waveform here, and it's quite spiky, isn't it? It's pretty strident. Look at that one there. It's touching the side, so very large compared to this waveform here, a bit further on.
Test for excessive hardness.
That's the voice there. And then here.
You drink it.
It's
know exactly what's
obviously much louder. Now, it can be that it's loud, but that doesn't matter. It's not distorting. And you can't always tell when you take a listen, although your ears are normally a good judge. But sometimes it may just be going over. It's over-modulating, and it's what we call clipping. And so what we need to do with that is to check it. And the best way to check is to use the Audacity clipping tool. So if I go to View, so that's View in the toolbar at the top, and then you'll see as we go further down, it says Show Clipping On and Off. And to turn it on, you just click that, and I can just double check. Oh, look, got some red there. And it says Show Clipping. And we can quite clearly see here, look there.
You drink it.
There.
You drink it. You drink it.
Oops. And here.
Your children. Your children. Your children.
And look at this here. Some big red bars.
Brightline Aqua will analyze.
And obviously, this is where it's clipping, it's distorting. And you see further along here, it's not clipping at all. So if we just go to normalize, let's see if that reduces the clipping. So I'll go to Effect, and then Volume and Compression, and normalize here. Got -1, which is always, I think, is always a good dB, a good level to have your audio on. And if I just press apply, there we go. And it's reduced the sound there. And that shows that, in fact, it was
you drink it.
Far too loud. And I've now reduced that, and it's reduced the clipping. If anything, it's probably a little bit too quiet. So I can expand it a little bit. I can increase the volume maybe a little bit. But at least now I know, using that clipping tool, I know that it's not going to distort. It's not going to clip.